So we take the bike from Asia Mall to Venice Mall.
Venice Mall.
Venice Mall, sir. Let's go.
Nakahuli ko ng vlogger. Ito, sa akin ng vlogger. Manlay. Manlay. Dadalhin ko ng Venice Mall. Ayan o, may kalang camera o.
That's your wife?
Yes, my wife.
Oh, hello.
He will make He'll make double the pay, the fare. Ito mo. Are you okay, my friend? Okay na, sige na. Rock mo na. Bye-bye. Okay, love you.
Oh. Let me put the glass. Yeah, yes. Stand for a second. Perfect.
Perfect?
Yeah.
Check heavy traffic, ha? Perfect.
Okay, let's go behind the scene. Like that. Yeah. I want to show that. All right. Crowd yun. Guys, this is crazy. A lot of bikes here. Wow. Look at that.
Oh, it's far, huh? There's a lot of passengers this time. Waiting for the service.
So what is this neighborhood here called? What's the name?
Huh?
What is this name of the neighborhood here?
Pasay.
Oh, that's Pasay, right?
Yes, yes. Pasay. And then city.
Where is Tondo? Down there, no?
Tondo? There.
Oh, okay. I went to Tondo. It was nice.
Where?
A lot of vlogs.
Where in Tondo?
Oh, I don't know. By the food market there.
Huh?
Food market
Food
there.
market? There's a lot of food market there.
Oh yeah. You're a good driver. Yeah, not bad.
Thank you. Not bad.
A lot of people here, huh? Where are they coming from?
From work. From work.
From where?
Yeah. Because 5 o'clock is already finished. Work finished.
Wow.
There's only different
Can I go back to Okada? It's far?
It is far. Very far.
Oh yeah?
Close to SM?
The hotel called, I forgot the name.
Peninsula Hotel.
Close to Hilton, across the street.
Peninsula? Manila Peninsula?
No. Very close there. Ascot.
Ascot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Near.
Here we are. Wow. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me get you some money. One sec.
Where do you want to go?
Thank you, sir. That was a nice ride. Thank you.
Close to SM?
The hotel called, I forgot the name.
Peninsula Hotel.
Close to Hilton, across the street.
Peninsula? Manila Peninsula?
No. Very close there. Ascot.
Ascot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Near. Where do you want to go?
Thank you, sir. That was a nice ride. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day. Hello. Hello. So guys, we are at the Venice Mall. This is my first time here, so let's just go with the flow. Hello. It's not Venice, it's Philippines. Don't lie. So we are in BGC area now. This mall is in BGC, and basically this Venice-inspired mall brings a lot of tourists here because it's open ceiling mall, and there is a Grand Canal which you guys can get the gondola. You can get a traditional gondola ride with singing gondolas, and also there is the bridge called Ponte de Amor Bridge. You can see the gondolas right now. Has a 3 passengers or 2, and that's the bridge. And also this mall is pet friendly, so you can bring your pet. And it's been named one of the cleanest malls in Philippines. So that's all I know about this mall. And it's not the mall I like the most because it's the cleanest. I like different type of malls. This one is a little bit on pricier side, but it's beautiful mall. And the thing is away from everywhere. So let's go, guys. That's about it. Let's see the mall. So this mall has all the US brands: Converse, North Balance, Under Armour, and Adidas was right there. So there is nothing special. There's bunch of brand names in this mall, the same like in California. So in next video I will show you the hotel I stay, which is really nice. It's more like Las Vegas hotel, but it's in the middle of Philippines in Manila. Has a casino and I think you guys will enjoy it. So please stay tuned and subscribe. And I will talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.